Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can install any app from Play Store in your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below and click on download. Once the installation file is downloaded, just click on open file. If you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes, and the installation wizard will open. Just click on install now, agree the terms of use, and the installation will start. So after a few minutes, BlueStacks will be installed and it will be open in your PC like this. You can maximize this and you can browse here. Okay, I'm having some issues, so let's not maximize this like this. Okay, so you can just click anywhere inside the BlueStacks application so that whatever that was happening will stop. And now you can scroll here and download games that you want. But if you want to download and install games that you want, like let's say you want to download PUBG or Roblox or whatever you want, what you can do is you can minimize this again, put it down, go to a website called apkpure.com. Here you can search any app or any game and download the APK. Once you have downloaded the APK from here or any other source, come back to BlueStacks and here click on this APK icon or press the shortcut Ctrl Shift B and now go to wherever you have downloaded the APK. Okay, I have this Roblox here and Candy Crush here. So if I want to install Candy Crush, just double click on it or select it and click on open, and as you can see, after a while you will see Candy Crush Saga here and you can double click on it to open it, and now you can play Candy Crush on your computer. So here Candy Crush is opening and now you can play Candy Crush on your PC just like on your phone. And similarly you can just click on here, click on this button and install any other APK or apps or games that you want, and you can press on this home button and you will be taken to your home page where you will see all your installed apps. So this is how you can install apps on your laptop or PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.